Welcome back to Mighty Tech, where the wheels are big, the loads are heavy, and the fails, oh, they're glorious. Think you've seen everything on the road? Buckle up. Today's episode is packed with trucking chaos, hauling disasters, and enough, what were they thinking, moments to last a lifetime.
Demolishing a 5-story building may look fun. Who doesn't like smashing things? But there's a load of safety protocols at play. The Hitachi ZX330 can tear through concrete like a champion, yet you still need structural analysis, notifications to the neighbors. Hey everyone, we're blowing stuff up at 9 a.m. And a plan that doesn't involve random guesswork.
Let's not forget the port scene, where things went from tight turn to, whoops, there goes 5 containers. Whether it was miscommunication or someone had too much coffee and not enough sleep, somebody's wallet is crying. Speaking of mud, quarry collapses can turn a regular day at the site into a heart-stopping landslide. Even a Cat 966H wheel loader can't do much if half the hillside decides to relocate on top of it. Controlled blasting and proper excavation angles are your best friends out here.
Now, remember folks, lifting is not improv comedy. Always check your cable strength, inspect for wear and tear, and for the love of all things hydraulic, don't guess. Guessing turns machines into very expensive scrap metal.
Max Gall's heavy transport? Now that's how it's done. Precision engineered, 272-ton roller frames balanced like ballerinas on pontoons. Add in the Nada Rampe, and you've got next-level logistics on water. Ever dig in the wrong spot and accidentally create an instant water park? Yeah, that's what happens when you forget to call for line locates. Next thing you know, you're starring in your very own live-action cartoon scene, complete with rushing water and panicked shouting. Transporting wind turbine parts isn't like moving your couch across town. These blades and towers are the size of aircraft wings and need laser-precise logistics. One wrong move, and you've got a renewable energy jigsaw puzzle on your hands. Now imagine a super heavy transformer that needs to cross 70 miles of rugged roads. Big thanks to Buckingham Heavy Transport for showing us how it's done, using barges, hefty trailers, and even a Cat D9 dozer to guide the way. That's what you call teamwork with a capital T.
Meanwhile, Sternwind's latest expansion is showing the world how it's done. Giant parts, tight timing, serious engineering. Green energy never looked this high stakes. We've got a Timberjack 1110 that decided it wanted a nap on its side. Flipping one of these heavy beasts back onto its wheels isn't a job for amateurs. Operators really need to understand balance points, winch control, and how to manage bumpy terrain. Let's just say, if you're not a fan of math, this is not the gig for you. And that guy? Yeah, he wasn't lifting. He was auditioning for Demolition Derby Construction Edition. No plan, no prep, just pure chaos. 10 tenths for destruction, 0 tenths for safety. Over in Ohio, officials got creative with road closures and precise logistics to move a superload bound for the Mark West fractionator. Talk about teamwork. Between the tight turns, weight restrictions, and countless onlookers snapping pictures, it must have felt like a giant puzzle on wheels. When a big rig goes where it clearly shouldn't, this is what you get. One total porch, 0 passengers, and one very confused homeowner wondering how a truck became their new roommate. Here's where it gets wild. A rescue that turned into 2 because the ground gave out beneath the recovery vehicle. Talk about a domino effect. Always, and I mean always, check your footing before trying to haul out a stuck machine. Even a monstrous Cat 793F can become a giant mud pie when Mother Nature feels like it. That's all for this round, folks. Which moment had you going no way? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for more outlandish moments on the road and off. Thanks for stopping by, and see you next time for another epic roller coaster of heavy machinery madness.